It is our third day, and my husband is anxiously awaiting his omelet, and we are having our breakfast. Adorable as always, and then we're gonna head down to Castaway Cay today.
Rena.
Oh,
Thank you so
nice.
much.
Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.
And just like that, we are at
Castaway Cay, Disney's private island in the Caribbean, or Bahamas. They don't know. They go back and forth. I don't know. We don't know. But we are so excited to be here. This is, of course, the only ship that's going to be on the island. It is exclusively for Disney members, people, us. So
Cruise Line.
Cruise Line. So let's see what they have to offer today. We were told that the entire crew gets off the boat with all of their cooking equipment to make us lunch, and then they all get back on and get ready for dinner, which is crazy. So our dinner guy, I really have no words today, is gonna be here somewhere on the island cooking lunch, serving lunch. I don't know, we'll see.
There you go. Yeah, you did it.
I did it!
Let's go get some towels.
Yeah. We are at Scuttle's Cove, which is for the children, I believe. And now we're going over here, which we have all of these fun things.
Cool.
We are in the way. Hello, Goofy! And yeah, so we're gonna look around at the shops. We're gonna find a bathroom. There it is.
Found it.
So we're probably gonna look at the map. Take pictures with every character we can find. All right, we are getting ready to go on our Castaway Cay bike ride. So we're testing out the GoPro. It's on Alan's head. Seems to be good. We'll see. Goes out like this. People are just standing and you could just see the bottom, and we're following the fishes, and I found this seashell, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to take seashells from Castaway Cay. So we are going to go snorkeling. Here we go. I've been looking forward to this. Can't tell.
You got our snorkel gear.
Snorkel gear.
You got a floaties.
Floaties.
And we're going to snorkel right next to the cruise ship, which is kind of cool.
Oh, this is so cool.
See, everyone's doing the snorkel. We're up next.
We're up next. Let's do it. to barbecue. Look at all this food. Look how many cookies Alan got. And I got 2 salmon and a brisket sandwich. Let's dig in, baby.
Let's go. So all of this used to be
Water when we were here this morning.
water. You'll probably see it in the video.
And now it's
Gone.
those are the fish that were here.
Wow.
This is unbelievable. We are walking where there was water.
I think this is how deep we went this morning.
I think so.
You can see there's still people. Hey, there's coral here.
We've had a really fun time, haven't we, baby?
Oh yeah.
What would you give this beautiful island on the 10 out of 10 scale?
Castaway Cay
Yeah. What would you give it?
gets 9.5.
Oh?
It's not a perfect 10
Because?
because their prices are really high to doing things. If they were a little bit more affordable and like people like us that don't have a lot of money can do so much more, it'd be even better. But the free stuff that you do get to do here,
Yeah,
it's
I mean,
real
there's,
nice.
yeah, there's plenty.
There's plenty to do.
We recommend getting the packages, the package deals before coming because they are cheaper on the app. Live and learn.
Yeah, you're living and learning.
I give this island a 10 out of 10. It's my favorite place I've ever been. What night is it?
Pirate night.
It's pirate night, so we're going to take our picture here with Pirate Mickey and go to dinner and see what pirate night looks like.
Arg.
Babe, what did we get tonight?
We got these fancy bandanas. Hold on.
Because it's pirate night.
Pirates night.
Yes. So everyone had a bandana at their table. We saw people walking around with bandanas and we wondered, how'd they get that?
I was starting to feel left out. And then, oh behold, we got it here.
We got it here. So we'll see what pirate fun is in store for tonight. So
Yeah.
for our appetizer tonight, we have the crab cake. And we have whatever this is. What did you get, baby? Is this the fruit-filled thing?
I don't remember what this is.
Okay. Well, at least you have your orange juice now. So let's dig in. I feel like you should open it. I'm gonna open it for everyone to see. Ooh, very crabby. There you go. That looks good. Let's look at the inside of yours.
Oh, it's hard.
Oh. Interesting.
Oh, it's got potatoes and peas and whatnots.
Oh, that's probably good.
Let's hope.
Let's try it. Soup of the night. Mango. Go ahead and take a bite, babe.
I don't think you bite this.
Go ahead and take a slurp.
I did not expect it to be cold.
Oh, it's cold. Like a bisque. Okay. It's got a bite at the end. The ginger, because there's ginger in it.
Is there?
There's pieces of ginger and orange. It's like a smoothie. This is something you would get at Jamba Juice. The jerk chicken. They didn't give me the plantain because I'm allergic to bananas. But I can have plantain, I just can't have bananas. Go figure, right? Okay, you can eat.
Okay.
Is it gonna be good? We're gonna find out.
Oh, it's juice.
Ooh. Oh, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Pirate's life for me. Woo!
Early in the morning.
baby.
I didn't have a Sunday.
They didn't have any Sundays. But it's that guy's birthday, so I just laughed. So he got the fruit cobbler. I hope it's good. And then I got this chocolate thing and a caramel cheesecake. I'm gonna love dessert.
I want a Sunday.
And now, we invite you to look up to the sky, where once upon a time leads to Disney Ever After.
Back it up.
I'll tell you what, Alan and I have loved the buffets. The Cabanas buffet does not disappoint ever. It was amazing on the island. It's amazing on the boat. It's just always really top notch. So now we're gonna dive into this dessert.
To bigger and better things.
Yes. And then we have this view.
Currently on our way to our last dinner. It's super windy outside, and we're both dressed super nice.
I curled my hair, and we didn't realize it was at the end of the boat, or we would have walked through the boat.
True, but now we're here, making it into an adventure.
On our way. This is the exclusive restaurant that you have to pay extra for, and you have to reserve a couple months ahead of time. So we were recommended this restaurant. We'll see how it is.
Yeah. We had to be dressed super formal for it, but we're in vacation, so we didn't really go like super formal, but we did the best that we could.
We're in the rules,
Within the rules.
Okay, we're at our fancy restaurant, and I feel kind of strange even videoing because it's so fancy. How's your mustache coming along?
Well, sophisticated.
Very sophisticated. I'll give you guys a sneak preview here. It's very pretty. Oh good, my hair held up really well after all the wind. We were just brought these little tiny bowls with a little potato on the inside.
This was $400. This little thing.
Just kidding, we would never spend that much on a meal. But
35 bucks.
it was 45 bucks. But they're cute. Let's see. Taste it, baby. Tell me how it tastes.
This is all we're eating today.
That's all we could afford.
I started here on the dream as well.
Take a bite, babe. Take a bite.
It's not coming off. I'm doing this wrong 100%.
Okay.
Yeah, instead. And Alaska is
How is it?
stunning. You know, I've never seen glaciers in our whole life. We don't have glaciers in the Philippines. Yeah.
It's beans with cheese.
Oh, good.
It's a majestic place. People.
Here we go. Here is our starter. What you got there, babe?
Oh,
Calamari, jumbo shrimp.
it's a big boy. It's a big boy right there.
Bon appetit, babe.
Ooh, it's hot.
So I loved my appetizer, but the best part about this meal so far has been this bread. Oh no, you're. I got the baby arugula salad, and Alan got the mesclun salad.
The Nesquik.
That's right. Taste it, babe.
You want to see me eat
Yeah,
grass?
I want to see you eat it. Good.
Grass.
The main course. The penne pasta.
Most magnifique.
Oh, we haven't tried it yet.
Yeah.
And the salmon.
It's like a big, deep hole so you can see how airy it is.
Ooh.
Can you smell this?
Yes, it smells so good. Oh, no way.
Oh, yes.
Oh, my life is made.
Oh, and vanilla bean gelato. If at some point you feel like, just put it in.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your turn, babe.
Try to do it fast so you can start eating.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Even I
Yes.
smell it with my mask.
Oh, it smells so good.
Here we go to the top.
Wow.
Bon appetit.
Oh, thank
you.
you.
Oh, good. And be creative on the plate because it's going to be a whole mess.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Am I going for it?
Dig in.
Ooh, mine's overfilling. Oh, hot.
Look, it's delicious.
It's very hot.
It just came out of the oven.
I don't know if it was good because it was burning my mouth.
That's what the ice cream's for. Oh. Mm-hmm. It's to die for. Alright, we're gonna go get ready for the next show. What morning is it, baby?
Disembarkation.
How do you feel?
Sad.
So it's our disembarkment morning. He was filming me on his phone, so I thought I'd film him. And we are at the Royal Palace, which is the restaurant we did not get to eat in before. There's princesses on the wall, and it's very pretty in the middle of the room. There's like a princess show that walks through, but we went to Palo. Say goodbye, babe, to the best week ever.